Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Talia and I will be your teacher today. Through this advanced training series, you'll unlock the full potential of Curveseries, empowering you to perform even more insightful and effective data analysis. In this video, you will learn how to use the lead and lag functions, a powerful tool for analyzing historical data. Curveseries is created by traders for traders. We know how critical it is to visualize and understand relationships between different data series and how these tools make that possible. Let's begin by building a spread query using the right panel to get our product spreads. In this example, we will focus on the Brent-Dubai Month 1 spread and explore its potential correlation with the gasoline versus fuel oil spreads. The Brent-Dubai spread is a light-heavy crude oil differential, and if there is a meaningful relationship between it and the gasoline versus fuel oil spread, it could offer insights for trading decisions. To ensure consistency, we will select both gasoline and fuel oil spreads in dollars per barrel, the same unit used for Brent-Dubai. You will now see two trends appearing on the chart. Next, uncheck the seasonality option and click Save to generate the chart. You may notice the trends are on different scales. To make the chart easier to interpret, right-click on one of the chart legends and choose Axis. New Axis to display the trends on separate axes. You may observe a lead-lag pattern between the Brent-Dubai and the gasoline fuel oil spreads. To explore this further, you can right-click and edit chart data. From there on, select the RON 92 versus FO 380 equation, copy it Ctrl-C, and paste it Ctrl-V to create a duplicate trend. Now, you would have three trends. Then, right-click the new trend and select Edit Equation. In the left-hand Functions panel, open the Lead and Lag folder to review definitions and usage examples. Then, place your cursor at the very beginning of the equation by left-clicking. Double-click on Lag to insert the function, ensuring both the opening and closing parentheses are included. This is essential for the function to work correctly. Inside the parentheses, add a comma followed by the number of data points to lag. This specifies a 30-point lag for RON 92 versus FO 380 month 1. Once the equation is complete, you can add a comment in the chart description and click Save. At this point, you will see both the original and lagged versions of the RON 92 versus FO 380 month 1 equation on the chart. If you hide the original, non-lag trend of RON 92 versus FO 380 by double-clicking on the chart legend, you can more clearly observe how the Brent-Dubai spread correlates with the lagged gasoline fuel oil spread. This comparison may reveal a lead-lag relationship, offering deeper insights into potential market indicators. This same lead-lag functionality is also fully supported within Excel using the Curveseries add-in. By applying the lead or lag functions directly to your spreadsheet formulas, you can shift data series forward or backward in time, helping you identify potential cause and effect relationships. This is especially useful when conducting time series correlation studies in Excel. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Did you know you can also create a forward curve of the time spread? If not, check out more of our advanced tutorials here at the Curveseries Academy. We are always here to assist you. We wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.